Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about ISO. ISO है क्या? The full form of ISO is the International Organization for Standardization. ISO जो है वो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो चीज़ों को स्टैंडर्डाइज करती है ऑन इंटरनेशनल लेवल. Basically, ISO is an organization which standardize the things on international level so things becomes easy to judge. Basically, we use this to reduce the confusion. The name ISO is not an acronym. Basically, जो ISO है वो कोई short form नहीं है, but was derived from the Greek word isis meaning equal. Equal in the sense is अगर कोई दो objects same standard की requirements को meet करते हैं then they should be equal. It means that if two objects meet the same standard they should be equal. It was founded on 23rd Feb 1947 as an international organization to promote global standards. So basically जो aim है ISO का वो क्या है? To promote the global standards. ISO is the world's largest developer and publisher of international standards. ISO is a national standards institute of 165 countries, one member per country with a central secretariat in Geneva, Switzerland. ISO का जो हेडक्वार्टर है वो कहाँ है? जिनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड में. ISO is an independent, non-governmental international organization that develops standards to ensure the quality, safety, and efficiency of products, services, and systems. Basically, these standards are intended to ensure that the products and services are safe and are of good quality. Basically, if a company is ISO certified, it means that the company is fulfilling their objectives. Do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.